Good morning, dear students. I, Rajesh Kumar, your science teacher. Today we will continue chapter 3 and we will discuss the second part of this chapter. Okay, let's go. Since subject is science, and in second part we will study about wool processing. Earlier, the previous lecture, we study about fiber and its importance. And today we will continue or we will resume our session with wool and its processing. Wool, you all know, wool is obtained from the fleece hair of the sheep, goat, camel, yak, rabbit, llama, alpaca and other animals. These animals have thick coat of hair on their bodies because the hair traps air and the air is a poor conductor of heat. We already discussed this slide, but still I added this slide to keep the momentum going. Okay, we all know air is a poor conductor of heat. When the air got trapped in the hair of these animals, it will protect them from heat also. So the thick layer of hair keeps the body warm and protects them from the harsh cold. Okay, for obtaining wool, animals are reared and then their hair is cut and processed into wools. Okay, wool is not as it seems easy to us that we directly take it from animals, but it passes through certain processes or steps to obtain the wool. Then it is be in usable form. Okay, let's move further. Fleece and the wool bearing animals. Fleece and wool bearing animals like sheep, goat, camel, yak, etc. bear two types of hair: coarse hair and fine soft hair, soft under hair. Okay, the fine soft hair is found close to the skin in such animals. Okay, in the upper layer, the hair those we got are coarse hair. Okay, then the fine soft under hair of animal like sheep, goat is called fleece or hair. Animal having fine soft hair on their body are called wool bearing animals. Okay, the animals those provide us wool are called wool bearing animals. Animal wool, many breed of sheep are found in India. Sheep gives milk and meat in addition to wool, but they are reared mainly to obtain wool in different parts of the world. Sheep wool is most common wool. Okay, if someone will ask you which type of wool or which animals gives us the common wool, it is sheep. Angora wool is obtained from Angora goats of Kashmir. Is a soft wool used for making shawls. Angora goats are found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. Pashmina wool is obtained from Pashmina goats. Wool is obtained commonly in Tibet and Ladakh. Okay, and alpaca and llama found in South Africa also give wool. Camel hair is used as wool also. So we studied different types of animal wool in this particular slide, and these are sheep wool, Angora wool, Pashmina wool, yak wool, alpaca and llama wool, as well as camel wool is also discussed in this particular slide. Let's move further. Rearing and breeding of sheep. Sheep are reared in many parts of our country like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat and other streets also. Sip found on grass and leaves. They are also feed like a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes and minerals. Okay. In winter, sip are kept indoor and feed on leaves, grain and dry fodder. Okay. Some breed of sheep have thick hair on their body and they yield good quality of wool in large quantities. They are selectively breed to get good breed to get sheep of good breed. Okay. So in this particular slide we studied about the states and what are the food for the sheep and how the sheep are kept indoors in the winter. Okay, and how the breeding is done to get good quality of sheep. Okay, let's move further. How how the wool is processed. The processing of wool involves 6 different steps. Processing of changing fleece or hair into wool involves 6 different steps: shearing, scouring, sorting, burst, separation, dyeing and spinning. Okay, these are the 6 steps after which the wool that is being obtained from animals is ready to use. Okay, processing of wool. The flesh of the sheep is removed from its body along with a thin layer of dead skin by using machines. The process of removal of hair from the animal is called shearing. Seared skin with hair is washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. Okay, there will be so much dust particles over there, grease or other dirt particles may be over there. It will be washed in tanks to remove all that. The process of washing the seared wool in hot water followed by drying is called scouring. Okay, the process of washing the seared wool in hot water followed by drying is called scouring. Okay, let's move further. Third process is the hairy skin is sent to a factory where hairs of different textures are separated. As we all know, there will be different kinds of hair on a body of a particular animal and they will be separated. The process of separation of hair of different textures from the fleece is called sorting. Okay, then fourth process is burst separation. The small fluffy fibers are called bursts are separated from the hairs and again washed and dried. Dyeing. The natural hair of sheep is white, brown and black. Okay, so for obtaining different colors of fibers the dyeing process will be done. That means coloring the hair or the fibers that are obtained from the animals. The dyeing is the natural hair of sheep is white, brown, black. The raw fibers are dyed in different colors for making different types of fabric. Spinning. The raw fibers are then straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. They are then spun and woven into fabric. Okay, these were the 6 steps of processing of wool. Okay, so this processing of wool is very much important for exam point of view. So you need to know all the 6 steps in detail. So learn and write them in your notebook. Cutting of wool, you can see how the shearing is done with the help of machines. You can easily see in pic also. The tools used is a machine. Okay, let's move further. Yarn types and its uses. There are 2 types of yarn. One is long yarn, other is shorter yarn. Long yarn threads are usually knitted to make sweaters, mufflers, caps and socks. the shortened yarn threads are woven into fabrics. Okay, you can easily understand the difference between the two types of yarn. One is used for making sweaters, mufflers, caps and other socks, especially winter clothes, and threads are used for into fabrics. Okay, wool and yarn you can easily see over there. Okay, see the difference between these two. Uses of wool. Wool is used for making warm clothes such as sweaters, caps, shawls, gloves and blankets, etc. Wool is also used for making carpets, okay, as well as other clothes, usable clothes. Upholstery is also kind of uh, clothes or fabrics that is prepared by using wool. Okay, now see this table and try to understand the type, name of the breed, quality of wool and the state where it is found. Lohi is a type of Indian breed of sheep. It produces good quality of wool, generally found in Rajasthan and Punjab state. Rampur Busair, brown fleece, brown hair type of wool it we got from them. It is found in UP as well as in HP. Okay. Third is Nali, carpet wool, usually Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. Bakharwal is another type of breed. For woolen shawls, Jammu and Kashmir. Marwadi, coarse wool, Gujarat. Patanwadi, for hosiery, it is also found in Gujarat. So you can see Gujarat is a major state for the production of different types or different quality of wool from different breed of sheep. Okay, okay, let's move further. Activity to do at home. What you can do at your home: collect the pictures of animals whose hair is used as wool, stick them into your scrapbook, and if you are not able to get the pictures, then you can draw the pictures from the book, and then you can write down about the type of wool which is being used, which is being produced by them. Okay, so it's your activity for today. You can easily do at your home. In this particular video of chapter 3 part 2, we studied about wool, its production, different types of wool, processing of wool, difference between wool and yarn, okay, and other. We studied about how the shearing is done over there, what are the steps for this particular process. Okay, so thank you so much. We will resume our discussion in part 3rd of this chapter. That will be the last part of this chapter, and apart from that we will also discuss the exercise of that chapter also. Okay, so till then, do one thing: learn and write all the steps for the processing of wool. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Enjoy.